download music from YouTube to your files. Open YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Then select your profile at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select YouTube Studio and open your YouTube on Studio of YouTube. Once YouTube Studio is open, on the side panel, scroll and select Audio Library. So as you can see here, all the list of the music you'd like to download. You can easily click on this Play Audio Track button and listen to this music. Once you have selected the music, you can click on the download button at the right hand side of the screen, and once you click on this download, you have to wait until this file gets downloaded. You can easily locate the file and listen to the music as well. So that's how we easily download music on YouTube to your files. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.